Since 1992, Coates Indonesia has delivered more than just equipments, but most importantly, we've delivered trust. From one site to nationwide projects, our journey has been driven by dedication and innovation. Every project is different, and our people take it as a challenge that make us stronger, more creative, and resilient. Deep inside us lies one mission: to be true industry professionals. We listen, learn from, and create value for our customers to drive the future. As industries evolve, so do we. New challenges demand broader solutions, smarter, safer, and more responsive to every customer's needs. Today, we mark a new chapter, a new name, a new look, with stronger commitment to excellence, more product and service ranges, as we embrace a new identity, one that reflects our direction and who we've become. Welcome to the new Diamond Hire Group. Diamond Hire Group, we bring solutions. Behind every project, every milestone, there are people who care. Our spirit is in our team, and our pride is in the trust of our partners. From safety to innovation, from equipment to complete solutions, every detail is crafted to meet your needs. Diamond Hire Group, your never regretting choice. We are proud to be a part of Living with Orange.